Hi guys, it's Risa. How you doing? So I just wanted to tell you that it's really hard sometimes to know what to do with leftovers, especially turkey. So I decided that I'd make a turkey salad, a veggie turkey salad, okay? So I had all this turkey meat left over from the holidays, and I knew that we're not going to freeze it. So I thought, okay, let's have this. We can have it for lunches or for dinner or for a snack. So I've shredded 2 cups of turkey, white turkey meat. So if you're on lifestyle, it's 0 points because it's the white turkey meat. And I just cut up a variety of veggies, whatever veggies you like, but I like things colorful, of course. So I have red, yellow, orange pepper, and some broccoli just cut up. Some celery that I cut up, and some of the vegetables got in it. Some red onion, whatever onion you like, and as much as you like. If you don't like a lot of onion or you don't like onion, you don't have to put it in. I find it very flavorful, a Vidalia onion or a red onion. And my secret ingredient is some apple. I love apple. So if there's another fruit that you like, you can substitute it. Pineapple would be good. Mandarin oranges would be good. Okay, so you can be creative. And I was thinking some fresh rosemary. Again, if you don't like rosemary, you don't have to do what I do. You can use what you want. I'm going to put in some HELLMANS mayonnaise. It's my favorite. But if you don't want to use mayonnaise, you can use Greek yogurt, you can use mustard, whatever you like, okay? So this is just what I'm doing. Some pepper, a little bit of Frank's hot sauce, some Himalayan salt, and if you like, I love roasted garlic and pepper seasoning. You can add a little bit of that, okay? So I'm just gonna add this to a bowl, my turkey meat, it's all shredded up, and I'm gonna add my onions, my veggies, my fruit, my celery, which I love, and that's it. It's so easy. Just have everything cut up, and I'm just looking for my fork so I can just mix that up, and it looks so colorful. And it would be great if you have company coming over just for something different. You can have this for lunches, for dinner, for a snack, as I mentioned. And I'm going to use about 3 good tablespoons. I'm just looking. I knew it was here. Oh, and I'm going to add my rosemary. Don't forget the rosemary or whatever seasoning you like. Okay, some rosemary. Let's sprinkle in some pepper, a couple of shakes. And again, I always tell you to taste it. And we'll put in some Frank's hot sauce too. So I'm going to start with about 3 nice tablespoons. And that's about 4 smart points. And if you need more or less, you can do what you want depending on how much turkey meat that you are using. Okay, because you don't want it dry. You want it moist. So you just mix that up. And I'll add just a drop of salt because I always watch, you have to watch your sodium levels. Okay, so just a little bit. Just bring out some flavor. Mix it up. Looks pretty good to me. I'm going to taste it. Well, I'll put a drop of Frank's hot sauce because I like things a little spicy. If you don't, you don't have to, okay? Honestly, it's just, I like a little bit of zip to my foods. All right. All right, it looks so pretty. Look at that, very colorful. Of course, I have it on my finger, so you know what's gonna happen. Let's taste it. It's perfect. 3 tablespoons is definitely enough. Now, I'm just going to move this aside. I don't think I'm going to add the roasted red pepper seasoning. I don't think it needs it. But if you want to, you can. I was thinking about it, but I changed my mind. You're allowed to change your mind. Okay, so you see, I'm going to be bringing some lettuce leaves And you could make just some lettuce sandwiches like that and eat that like that, okay? So it can be low carb. If you want to add it to a sandwich, you can, or your matzah or whatever, your matzah buns. I made matzah buns. I have this really cute slicer for cucumbers, and I can make cucumber sandwiches or just eat it on top of cucumber. I love doing that as well. Just some options to show you. Look how pretty that looks. I know. And if you're doing a veggie plate, these things are so handy. I got it at Cane's Warehouse, but I'm sure you can find it in Walmart or if you have a warehouse, a Canadian Tire. I live in Canada, so you can find it in other stores. I'm sure hardware stores. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so and you can just put some on top of it like this, and have like little. You could put another one on top if you want. I think it'll be kind of chunky, but depends on how thin you make your cucumbers. Again, you can have it on your your matzah bun or any kind of bun, toast, mamalupa, tortilla, pita, whatever you want. It is super delicious. Again, this is just a base of what I do. You can change it up how you like it, whatever fruit, whatever veggie that you want, but this is super delicious. You want to add some nuts to it. Some walnuts would be delicious. Some toasted almonds would be great. Some pecans, some seeds, hemp seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, you name it. You can do so much. I'm just keeping the points down. So this whole thing is only 4 smart points, okay, for this whole huge bowl. All right. I hope you love this recipe. Don't forget to continue to subscribing, telling people, sharing with other people. And I love the comments. Keep them coming as well. Love them, love them. And don't forget to visit me at Risa's Recipes and Weight Watchers Tips on Facebook. Bye for now.